Okay, quick question. Have you ever seen those viral music videos on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts and thought, yeah, I could never make something like that? Same. But today, I made one in minutes. No editing skills, no expensive software, and honestly, barely any effort. And no, this isn't clickbait. Honestly, after testing a lot of tools lately, this is one of the AI music video makers I'm most excited about going into 2026. Let me show you exactly how. Welcome back to Liqui AI, where we review smart tools that automate your workflow and unlock serious productivity. Today, I'm testing a free AI music video maker called VibeMe AI, and I genuinely didn't expect it to be this fun. So, if you like discovering tools that can help your content stand out, hit like, subscribe, and let's jump in. Short-form music videos are everywhere right now. They're emotional, catchy, shareable, and they spread fast. But the problem is, making them usually takes time, skills, or money. That's where VibeMe AI comes in. It's built for people who want viral-style music videos without learning editing, animation, or complicated software. You pick a vibe, and the AI does the heavy lifting. The first thing I noticed when I opened VibeMe AI was how simple everything feels. No clutter, no confusing menus. You're instantly shown a library of music video templates. And these aren't boring or generic. They're trendy, fun, and constantly updated. Different moods, styles, and effects depending on what you're going for. And here's what surprised me the most. A lot of these templates are completely free. No paywalls every 5 seconds. No long tutorials just to get started. You choose a template, upload a photo or video, and VibeMe AI turns it into something that looks ready to post immediately. This is exactly the kind of content people stop scrolling for. This part really stood out to me. VibeMe AI isn't just a solo creation tool. It's built around interaction. You can create videos with friends, family, or other users, react to each other's creations, and turn simple moments into duets, multi-person videos, and playful interactions. It feels less like traditional editing and more like playing inside a creative social space, which is exactly why this style of content performs so well. Another cool thing worth mentioning, AI song creation is now live. That means you're not just matching visuals to music anymore. You can actually generate music using AI directly inside the experience. On top of that, creator-focused tools are launching in mid-January, which makes this especially exciting if you're serious about content growth. Even right now, VibeMe AI is perfect for creators looking to grow fast, people who want fun content without stress, and anyone who just wants to experiment creatively, all without needing to spend money up front.
Time for the one still climbing. Two time for the one still trying. Hands up, let me see you shining. We're going higher every time, keep rising. Used to doubt myself, now walking proud.
So here's my honest take. If you've ever wanted to make viral-ready music videos without the headache, VibeMe AI is absolutely worth trying. It's free, beginner-friendly, and genuinely fun to use. Out of all the AI music video tools I've tested recently, VibeMe AI is easily one of the most promising and exciting ones to watch going into 2026. Whether you're a creator, a casual user, or just curious about AI, this tool makes creativity feel easy again. I'll leave the link in the description so you can try it yourself. And if you do, let me know in the comments. What kind of video would you make first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.